Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. This is update 3 on Hurricane Matthew as of midnight UTC on the 1st of October 2016. Storm's location at 13.5 degrees north, 172.0 degrees west with winds of 150 miles per hour and a pressure of 945 millibars, movement west-southwest at 9 miles an hour. So Hurricane Matthew is on the verge of Category 5 intensity. Though we'll just have to wait till the morning to see what plays out. There's no graphics or anything on this video, just a quick update as to what's going on. But that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.